Hey guys, I came down Main Street to do some business and I decided to vlog. Today is the weather was predicted to be very bad. So here you're getting a good view of Main Street when when the weather is not good. So take a tour with me. Okay. So I have to walk back to my car. So I'm not going to talk much because I need to look where I'm going. But here it is. You're going to get a good view. Just a little bit rainfall. Right now it's drizzling. So the rain could come down on me anytime. Okay, let's go. Look at that church architecture. It's so beautiful. And that's new driving. It's pretty old now. Look, it's flooded, guys. Hi, mister. I'm vlogging. You can say hi. Thanks. Look, guys. It's a rainy day. Take a look, Guyana, Georgetown, Main Street. That building there is the Bureau of Statistics. And that is Palm Court, guys. When you want to go to party, that's where you go. So I can't cross any further. So this is Guyana. Just one night and maybe half day of rainfall, and look right behind me. So Main Street continue all the way behind of me to the end of the road. I can't cross, I can't go any further. So, see you next time. Beautiful Guyana. I love this tree, oh my gosh. Look at the flowers.
You look so cute.
Thank you. I'm vlogging. You know, the YouTube thing, mister?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you can say hi.
Hi.
Hi, because I'm uploading this on the internet.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I'm crossing the road, guys. Oh, we do have bus stops here as well. That's a bus stop. Okay, but bye everyone. See you next time.